What are you doing?
Well, we're gonna try this right here. We're gonna go with a yellow cake mix, 15.25 ounces. Get that into a bowl. All right, we're gonna go with 4 eggs, right? Large eggs. Doesn't matter if they're large eggs or not. I don't know, but I'm using large eggs. All right, now we're gonna go with 3/4 cups of vegetable oil. All right, then we're gonna go with 1/4 cup of milk. All right, and then we're gonna go with 1 cup of sour cream. We're gonna get that up in there. All right, and then we're gonna go with a 1/2 cup of sugar. Then we're gonna go with a teaspoon or so. You know, it's vanilla extract. You know, I just like a little extra, but about a teaspoon. Y'all can use like a hand mixer for a couple minutes, or I'm just gonna go ahead and take a regular whisk, and I'm gonna whisk all of this until combined. Alright, so once we got that all mixed up like that, we're gonna go ahead and grab some of these right here. Toasted, finely chopped pecans, however you say it. We're gonna go with about a cup's worth. We're gonna get that in there, and a little more. Okay, that's a cup, and then what we're gonna do is, we're just gonna go ahead and get all that mixed into the batter. All right, so once we got it like that, we're gonna go ahead and grab a lubricated bunt pan, right? If you ain't got a bunt pan, you really need to get one, because you can do a lot of things with these. But what we're gonna do now is, all right, go ahead and evenly disperse the mix throughout the bunt pan like you see. All right, got it nice and evenly dispersed. Okay, we're gonna go 325 degrees, bake Fahrenheit, for about 50-60 minutes, or until I can insert a toothpick through it and it comes out clean. So I want that batter to be fully cooked. All right, now we're gonna grab a bowl while we're allowing that cake to cool, and we're gonna go ahead and get a couple tablespoons of melted butter in there. And then we're gonna go ahead and grab some of this right here. We're gonna grab some powdered sugar, right? We're gonna grab 2 cups worth or so, you know, about 2 cups. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go with a teaspoon or so, yet again, of the vanilla extract. And we're gonna go with the toasted, finely chopped pecans. And you're gonna go with however many you want, really. So we're just gonna go with a little bit like you see here. And then once you start mixing, we're just gonna add a little bit of water as needed. If it's too thick, add more water, but very little at a time, and get that all stirred and mixed together. Okay, now I allowed this to cool, right? And I haven't took this off yet, so I'm hoping. It's still a little warm, but the more you let it cool, the easier it might be, so they say. All right, we're gonna bring this up. I'm scared. Okay, there it is. Wow, that smells good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it smells delicious.
Now we're gonna roll over here to the glaze. All right. We're just gonna go ahead, basically. Start pour that really slow. All on top, and just let it do its thing. Okay, and would you look at that right there? A butter pecan bunt cake? All right, the only thing left is to cut this bad boy. Now that was so easy to do, right? Let's cut yourself a piece. You can go with some, I bet you this would serve good with ice cream. All right, there it is. Look at that, nice and moist. Yes. I got a good feeling about this. Okay, bon appetit. Oh, wow. This is probably, wow, and it's not over sweet. This is probably one of the best cakes I made in a while. You all really should get out there and try this with that glaze and everything you've seen.